Hi, I'm Phil Constantine. This episode of Travels with Phil, we're going to see some big waves in San Diego. For many years, I was a TV reporter, often working out of a helicopter. One of the great things about that was I got to see San Diego from overhead, some beautiful scenery here. And these are some videos of some big waves in San Diego. Now, this is Ocean Beach, where the waves are going up against the seawall. Then we're going to go over to Children's Pool in La Jolla. Those are some of the seals out there on the beach. They've taken over the beach, by the way. Then we're going to Oceanside at Wisconsin Avenue and the Strand, where the waves just splash onto the city street itself. Then over to Mission Beach, where it floods anytime there's any kind of rain out there, and this is an effect of the big waves. Now, the Marine Room in La Jolla, people get reservation for months in advance when they have an expected big tide to see the water splashing against the windows. And then finally, our last scene here is La Jolla near Bird Rock, and just beautiful, beautiful spots. You should see it from the ground if you can, but if you get a chance to see it from overhead, that was really the best place to see it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please feel free to make comments below as long as the language is family friendly. And if you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the circle with my picture in it in the lower right hand corner of the video. The arrow is pointing at it now. And once you have subscribed, you can be notified of when I have a new video posted by clicking on the bell icon in the description field below the video. Thanks again for watching.